Learn DevOps tools and techniques from industry experts. DevOps is an agile discipline which incorporates tools and practices designed to improve quality and reduce the time it takes to bring software applications, systems, and solutions to fruition. Automation allows continuous improvement through the development, testing, and deployment lifecycle, getting your product to market faster. Popular DevOps tools and platforms include Kubernetes, Terraform, Microsoft Azure, Jenkins, Git, and Selenium. Our hands-on DevOps training courses will give your team practical experience using these tools in real-world scenarios to improve their collaboration skills and increase productivity. No matter your tech stack, we can tailor a training program syllabus to focus on your industry, your chosen tools, and your team's current skill set. Your team will learn by doing, guided by a domain expert with strong commercial software development and classroom experience. Get in touch today to find out how we can tailor a syllabus to match your project requirements and learning goals. Find out more at www.frameworktraining.co.uk.